This weekend is Veterans Day, a day dedicated to honoring our country's military. And for those of you who are enlisted or who have served, I want to thank you. Because without you, the world would be a very different place. So rather than making dinner just for your family, I thought it would be a good idea if I shared a recipe that would be nice to take over to a veteran's house as a way to say thank you for all they've done. All we do is mix together some cooked elbow macaroni with some chunked up cooked chicken, a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese, a can of cream of chicken soup, a bit of mayo, some milk, and a little salt and pepper. Once this is all mixed, into a casserole dish it'll go, and we'll top it off with a mixture we made by combining some crushed crackers with butter before baking it off. It might be a good idea to make this in a disposable pan so you can drop it off without worrying about getting your pan back. Imagine how good you'll feel if you make two and share one with a vet. It's the least you can do for them. I do hope you'll go online and check out the recipe for our chicken mac and cheese so you'll actually make it and share it with someone who has given us so much. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and I want to salute our military and thank you with a big All-American. Ooh, it's so good.